The infrared diesel heater IDHG-16, efficient, powerful, and suitable for rooms up to 1,600 cubic meters. The sturdy chassis with 4 swivel casters and 2 locking brakes makes transport easy and ensures a secure stand. The device operates with infrared heat and specifically heats surfaces instead of the ambient air. This means the heat is immediately available where it is needed and remains especially efficient even in halls with frequently opened doors or windows. Operation is simple thanks to the digital display, and the integrated room thermostat controls the temperature precisely. Thanks to the remote control, the device can also be conveniently operated from a distance. An integrated timer function allows for scheduled use of the heater. With a heating output of 16 kilowatts and a fuel consumption of only 1.2 liters per hour, the device operates especially economically. The integrated diesel tank holds up to 42 liters, allowing for long operating times without refilling. The unit is powered via a 230-volt electrical connection. An exhaust hose is also included in the delivery. Additional exhaust pipes are optionally available as accessories. Overheat protection, tip-over protection, and other safety features ensure safe operation.